Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, December 2, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. Nice to see you.
Hi, David. Good morning. You too.
Coffee time. Black or with milk today?
Black for me. I need it strong.
I take milk, makes it smooth. Busy morning ahead.
Yes, 2 meetings. Projects are tight.
Sales calls for me, non-stop action.
Sounds tiring. Coffee helps.
Yes, best part of the day. Hey, did you check the news last night?
A little. What is new?
Big story from Iran, water crisis.
Iran water? Tell me more.
Dams are almost empty. Dozens of them.
Oh no, that is serious.
Tehran people may run out of water soon.
In weeks, really?
Yes, President talks about leaving the city.
Evacuate the capital? Crazy.
People need water for everything.
Drinking, cooking, work, all stops.
Businesses closed, no sales possible.
Economy hurts bad. Jobs gone.
Hot weather makes it worse.
Climate change? Maybe?
Hope they fix dams fast.
Government must act now.
Poor families there. Think about kids.
Yes, hard life. We have water here.
Lucky us. Pour more coffee?
Sure, your cup is low.
Thanks, feels good. Another news, Boeing plane?
Boeing, what happens?
Crash in India. June crash?
Dreamliner? Boeing 787?
Yes, investigation now.
What is the problem?
Tension between US and India experts.
Why tension?
Suspicion, poor communication. They argue over the cause.
Bad. Plane safety important?
People scared to fly now.
Travel down, business trips cancel?
Airlines buy less, sales drop?
Our clients too. Delays in projects.
Safety first always.
Teams must share info.
Like us, we talk open.
True, good coffee chat.
Help start day right.
Yes, one more news.
U.S. arrests foreign-born spouses.
Spouses of U.S. citizens?
Yes, at final residency step.
Why arrest them?
Visa issues. Agents check hard.
May deport, family split.
Controversial. Big talk online.
Immigration strict now.
Affects office friends.
Some from other countries.
Diverse teams make us strong.
Ideas from everywhere, better work.
Rules change fast.
Society feels it. Protests maybe.
Hope fair for all.
Think deep impacts lives.
News makes you think.
Coffee clears the mind.
Finish this cup. Hot.
Good. My meeting in 10 minutes.
Mine too. Calls start soon. How is your sales target?
Push hard month end close.
You got this. Top seller?
Thanks, your projects.
On time, team solid.
Nice, keep it up.
Morning chats help focus.
Yes, share world news.
Tomorrow more tech news
Maybe phones or apps.
or movies, fun stuff.
Culture too, good mix.
Politics, tech, society.
Keeps us smart.
Office needs that.
True, clients like informed teams.
Sales pitch better.
Projects plan ahead.
Perfect. Another coffee?
No time, work calls.
Okay. Have a great day.
You too. See you tomorrow?
Bye. Stay safe.
You too.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.